and problems that face a business from time to time could mean the difference between growing and closing your business forever.
Successful business owners understand, anticipate, and mostly avoid financial problems, but they also know how to repair the damage when problem does. Insufficient or no financing. Cash for a business is like blood for the heart. Without a constant flow, you are in trouble. Businesses need money continuously.
Come in!
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Ma'am, I have a paper here that you need to sign.
Is this for the production?
Yes, ma'am. And we need funds for our product.
When do you need this?
Next week, ma'am.
Okay, how much do you need? I'll design this today.
5,000.
Okay, I'll design this.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can have the check later on.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Determine how much money you'll be needing for whatever phase your business is in and ask for it.
Come in!
Can I have a check, please, ma'am?
Yes, here, I'll design it. Do I have any meetings?
Yes, ma'am. You have meeting with Mr. Mendoza, and tomorrow at 2 p.m. you have meeting with Ma'am Santos.
How about on Thursday? Do I have any?
Wala. You're free.
Pesos. Just
Thank
give
you.
me the receipt, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, kailangan po natin ng funds.
Para saan tong funds na to?
For our product, ma'am.
Products. Ano nangyayari sa production? Ba't kinukulang tayo ng mga products?
Ma'am, kukulang po tayo kasi si Mr. Mendoza, ma'am, hindi pa po nakakabayad. Pero binibenta na po niya yung mga product natin. So,
Eh, di ba last month pa yung June niya? Bakit hindi pa rin siya nakakabayad? Oh,
tinry na
ano
po
nangyari?
namin siyang singilin, kausapin, ma'am. Pero sabi na talaga po niya, magbabayad siya na. Na meron na po siyang pera.
Yung contracts, ni-review niyo na ba?
Yun.
You should review that one. Breach of contract na yon.
Yes,
Na-delete
ma'am.
na siya. So, as of now, papakita ko sa'yo, wala pa tayong funds talaga. So, wala akong mailalabas, wala akong magbibigay sa ngayon. Kailangan yung masingil si Mr. Mendoza. Although nagbayad siya ng half, which is 500,000 sa products, na sinabi mo nga, binibenta niya pa yung products natin na hindi pa siya nakakabayad. So, tayo ang malulugi niyan. Kailangan natin gawa ng action para mabawi itong 500,000 na to.
Okay, ma'am.
So, pag nasingil si Mr. Mendoza, mabibigyan ko na kayo ng funds. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Gawan niyo ng action yun. Kasi kung hindi nito nagawan, para-para tayo mawawalan ng trabaho dito.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can sign this one.
Thank you.
Poor cash management. Even highly profitable businesses need to manage the money that comes in. Now your accounts receivable collection days, so you are aware the delays of the curve between the billing, the time you collect and the time you must make payments. What can I do for you?
I came here because I'm planning to open a business and I know your company can help. Would you lend me a money?
Yes, how much do you need?
I'll be needing 200,000 pesos per month.
So, what term of payment would you prefer? A monthly basis or a yearly basis?
What basis, ma'am?
So if that's so, you need to pay me 25,000 every month. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
As a sign of our agreement, please sign this contract. Okay.
Thank you. Counteract cash flow problems by knowing them exactly when you have to pay, the exact amount, and exactly how much you're expecting to take in and when. afternoon, ma'am. This is my first installment, ma'am.
May signs.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my last installment, ma'am.
May sign, please. Congratulations na lang, Tita. Your balance is complete.
Thank you, ma'am. See you again.
Based on my records, ma'am, hindi pa po nakakapagbayad si Miss Webang Vita this past 5 months.
Ha? Ang laki ng lugi natin yun sa kumpanya. Paano suggest mo para makausap natin siya?
Puntahan po kaya natin sa kanyang bahay.
Okay, kunin mo yung address at saka yung pakarad na rin yung sakyan.
Bakit po?
Okay, let's go. Sino kayo ba? Check mo address.
Opo, ma'am. Tama na po yung address. Tao po. Tao po. Tao po.
Sino po sila?
Kay Miss Webang Vita, nandyan ba siya?
Ay, pasok po kayo. Ate, may naghahanap po sa inyo.
Good afternoon.
Hindi na ako papaligoy-ligoy pa. 5 months ka lang hindi nakakabayad sa akin. Ang laki na ng utang mo.
Eh, wala na. Wala na yung business ko. Yung inutang ko sa'yo, wala na rin. Wala na. Wala na akong pera. Halos na-ibenta ko na lahat.
200,000. Kakalahati pa lang yung nabayad mo sa akin. Hindi pa kasama yung interest. Tapos, tinanong kita noon, kung kaya mong bayaran yung 25,000 a month. Sinabi mo oo. And then ngayon, sasabihin mo ganyan, wala kang pambayad.
Eh, ano ang gagawin ko? Wala na akong pera.
Kung ganon, magkita na lang tayo sa korte.
Every business needs a budget to plan for regular expenses, such as utility bills, rent, and wages. Estimate their costs over a period of time, such a year, and set aside cash each month to continue paying them.
Don't forget to set aside money for bills that come due quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, so you aren't caught short of cash.
Ma'am, here's the list of our expenses po for our
Electricity, and yung internet, and yung tubig, and telephone bill. Diyan na po ma'am lahat. The total of 20,000.
Okay. Here's the check and pay it now. Thank you.
Okay ma'am, I'll pay it immediately.
Pakita mo naman sa akin yung resibo ah.
Okay ma'am, thank you po.
Thank you.
Miss Mendoza? Ma'am?
Ma'am, morning po. Here's the list of our expenses for this month, including electricity and yung internet water.
Ano to? Akala ko ba nabayaran na natin?
Ma'am, no, we haven't po.
Eh, ano yung nakaraan?
Ma'am, that's for the past month po. Yung binigay niyo sa akin pera and binayad ko na po agad. Ngayon po, ma'am, kailangan po natin bayaran to.
Wala na akong pera eh. Dito mo nga nakapamili na ako.
So, ma'am, what do you suggest we do?
O eto, magbayad.
Sige po, ma'am, bayad niyo na po agad. Thank you, ma'am.
Fear of making decisions could be more hazardous than making a wrong decision. Making no decision has at least a 50% chance of being wrong.
So how's our business going?
Ama, here's my suggestion. Why don't we try exporting our lipstick around Asia?
Hindi ba ito masyadong mahal?
Ma'am, instead of exporting, why don't we try to produce lip balm in our country? Total, in demand naman kayo ng mga lipstick.
I like it, you will do this.
Thank you, ma'am.
But ma'am, if this plan succeed, malaki ang kikitain natin. We should take the risk.
No, I don't want to take a risk. Masyado yung mahal, baka malugi tayo.
Assess Chris is carefully evaluating them against your company's strategy plan. Always weigh the risk versus the potential reward.
Beginning to end, your business should have a plan. Begin with the end in mind. Write a formal business plan and use it as a roadmap of checking off milestones as your business grows.
Ma'am, why don't we try to sell our product in the universities like Placeil? Lalo na ngayon na mas maraming hospital and student mga hospital. There we don't need makeups.
That's a good strategy.
Thank you.
Ma'am, ako na lang ang maghahanap sa advertisements. Tutunan naman ang 40 ko.
And our goal is to reach 30,000 this month.
Good luck, ma'am.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, ayun mo yung sales natin. Hindi lang natin na-reach yung goal natin kung hindi na nagpasok pa natin. Naka 35,000 tayo ngayong month, no?
That's great! Alam ko naman kaya natin eh. Good job, guys. Maganda
Congrats to us!
maganda yung strategy ginamit natin.
Go.
Ma'am, may proposal po kami ni Angelica na bang yung products po natin, pagpuproduce na tayo ng lip balm.
Lip balm? Ayoko, dagdag production lang yan. Baka man.
So, ma'am, meron pa akong isang proposal kung ayaw niyo po ng lip balm. So, kung ayaw niyo ng lip balm, yung ano na lang po, packaging na lang po.
Sige na, akin na.
Products natin.
I'll just sign it. Go on with the project. Busy kasi ako.
Kayo,
No. Oo na nga. Tigil ko ah.
Ma'am, sorry to say, hindi na po natin na-reach. Bumaba po yung sales natin.
Ha? Bumaba ang sales natin? Hello, Miss Teresa. I need you in my office right now. Ano nangyari sa sales? Bakit ganyan?
ma'am,
Explain it to me clearly.
ito na po, sinayin niyo po yung pinropose namin sa inyo.
Sinayin ko
Napapalitan
to?
na lang po namin yung packaging and labeling ng products natin. Kasi ma'am, hindi kayo pumayag dun sa lip balm na products. Nagagawa tayong sarili lip balm na product.
If you can't write it down, you haven't thought it out. The investment of time and effort will repay you many times over in both financial reward and peace of mind.